How to fix Windows Update KB5004237 failed with error 0x80073701. 1. Use DISM tool and SFC as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-helpdism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health plan B. dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore-health dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore-health/source://repair source/source/c:\/windows/limit access sfc/scan02. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Disable any external devices. 4. Download the update by accessing Microsoft Update Catalog.